नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज हम लोगों से स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। स्टॉक मार्केट क्रैश, इन्वेस्टर लॉस रेस्ट 9.5 लाख करोड़ in just 2 days. What's the outlook for Nifty Sensex? Stock market crash. Nifty and Sensex saw a week of extremely volatile trade with both benchmark indices giving up unsettled gains amidst the IT sector stock sell-off for the week. The Sensex has dropped 953.64 points or 1.14%, while the Nifty registered a fall of 222.6 points or 0.86%. The overall market capitalization of companies listed on the BSE shrunk by 7,02,017.71 crore, bringing the total valuation down to 5.13 trillion on Friday. In the last two trading sessions, investors have lost 9.5 lakhs crore according to PTL. On Friday, BSE Sensex NSE Nifty drops by more than 1% as with spare selling pressures, particularly in mental information technology and commodity share mirror weakness across global markets. Domestic equity markets closed in negative territory after a sharply inflecting trading session. Pressures by subdued global signal as investors remain the cautious ahead of the upcoming US inflation data. Market participation said investors' sentiment was further washed down by a corporate earnings session that fell short of expectations, along with growing concern that rapid advance in the artificial intelligence could disrupt traditional business model in the technology sector. According to the Siddharth Khameka, head of research wealth management of Motilal Oswal Financial Services Ltd, the benchmark weakness primarily due to the disappointing earning outcomes and the persistent pressures of technology stock MORs over AI-driven. He notes that the FTID index fell to 10-month low during trading before closing 1 to 4% lower. The selective buying helping limited losses. The sector continues to face challenges as concerns grow that rapid development in AI could affect established service models and cloud visibility on future revenue growth.